Quiz time, time to test your knowledge. What will this code print? Print, hello, plus world. A, hello world. B, hello bus world. C, hello world. D, error. Question 2. Which type of data is this? Age taller 13. A, string. B, boolean. C, integer. D, list. Question 3. What is the correct way to start a comment in Python? A, comment. B, C, comment. D, comment. Question 4. What will this code do? X equal 5, y equal 10, x comma, y equal y comma, x, print x. A, 5, B, 10, C, 15, D, error. Question 5. How many times will this loop run? For I in range, 3. Print, Python. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Great work. Answer key, question 1, C hello world, question 2, B integer, question 3, C hash comment, question 4, B 10, question 5, C 3, like and share.